that is just to say how it feels. No explanation, no history, no words. Just how it feels right now.
To me, there's this raw innocence coming with it. Because as I start to feel in, noticing my felt experience, initially I might not know what's going on for me, might not know what I'm feeling, or what this feeling is trying to message me. If I simply start unfiltered by naming the current experience, which would be dense energy in my chest, immediately I start feeling something more in my throat, a little bit out in my shoulders. And at a certain point, a word will come to me. Emerging naturally.
I think that is also different from person to person, how we are orientated. I am visually orientated. I'm very fast. So usually I know what emotion is present in me. I can go from there to layer to layer to layer. Right now, I feel nervous.
How do you experience that nervousness? Where is it?
Tingling in my chest. Feel tension and a bit icy in between my shoulder blades.